Hi students, it's Mr. Thayer here trying to give you some help on homework number 10, 1.4, rewriting equations and formulas. So let's start with page 30, similar to exercise number 8, 2 pi equals 8x minus 4y. First things first, I should let you know the variable we want to isolate in this situation is the y variable. So that's when we're trying to get alone. So that means we have to remove things next to the y variable. So we start with addition and subtraction. We're going to subtract the 8x from both sides. All right, that will be gone on the right side, and all that's left on the right side will now be a negative 4 times our y variable. On the left side, I can't combine 2 pi and minus 8x, so we're just going to rewrite it. 2 pi minus 8x. Okay, next, let's get rid of the times negative 4 by dividing by negative 4. Now, instead of one giant fraction bar like that, I'm going to opt to write it in two separate fraction bars. They have the same value. I do this so that now when I'm writing y by itself, y equals, I'm going to reduce these fractions right here before I write them down. Negative 2/4 is the same as negative 1/2, and put the pi right next to it. Negative 8 over negative 4 is the same as positive 2. Put the x next to that. Okay, so y is officially been solved for. There you go. You've rearranged that equation. Let's take a look at another example. Okay, so in this example, we have on page 30, similar to page 31, similar to number 14. This, you might recall, is a formula for simple interest. Interest equals principal times rate times time. And in this problem, we want to try and get our t variable by itself. So this is the variable we want to solve for or rearrange. So one thing you might notice is that it's all multiplication here. Multiplication, multiplication. The opposite of that would be division. So instead of just dividing by one variable, I'm going to divide by the p and the r all at the same time. So those cancel to 1. On the left side, you can't simplify anything. So all we can do is rewrite t equals I divided by p times r. And you have successfully rearranged this for t. So no numbers in that equation. Kind of strange, right? All variables. Okay, let's take a look at one more example. This one's similar to number 19 on page 31. A equals 1/4 b minus 10. And in this problem, the variable we would like to get alone is going to be the b variable right there. So first things first, we need to undo addition and subtraction. Before you go jumping inside the parentheses, that's actually the last step we're going to move, because grouping symbols is the last part of solving an equation. We start at the bottom and work our way backwards. Well, there's no addition and subtraction outside of the grouping symbol. So now we go to division and multiplication. The 1/4 is multiplying. So to get rid of it, we need to multiply both sides by its reciprocal, or 4/1. 1/4 times 4/1 is 1. So on the left side of your equation, you're left with 4a equals b minus 10. You no longer need the parentheses since we removed the multiplication. Next, undo the minus 10 by adding 10 to both sides. That cancels to 0. And 4a plus positive 10, those are not like terms. So you're going to rewrite this as b equals 4a plus 10. And that is all you can do. You have solved for b. By the way, that's the same as 10 plus 4a, because addition is commutative. All right, have a great day. Hope that helps you. Good luck on your homework.